This is the brand new Xiaomi Redmi A5, a phone that promises to deliver a lot for a low price. But can it really be one of the best budget-friendly smartphones of 2025? Let's break down the full specs and see if it deserves a spot in your pocket. Let's start with the design. The Redmi A5 keeps things simple but practical. At just 8.3 millimeters thick and 193 grams, it's lightweight and easy to hold. It has a plastic build, but the finish gives it a premium texture look. You can get it in black, blue, or green. It's also splash resistant, great for everyday life on the go. The display features a water drop notch, offering a solid 84.1% screen-to-body ratio. Now, about that display. You're looking at a 6.88-inch IPS LCD panel with HD plus resolution. It might not be the sharpest out there, but the 120Hz refresh rate makes navigation super smooth, a rare feature in entry-level phones. Brightness reaches 1500 nits, making it easy to use under bright sunlight. And yes, it's protected with Gorilla Glass 3 for extra durability. Under the hood, the Redmi A5 is powered by the Unisoc T7250, a 12nm processor that handles daily tasks just fine. The Mali-G57 GPU can run light games like Free Fire or Subway Surfers, but don't expect miracles with heavy titles. RAM options go from 3GB or 4GB, with memory extension depending on the version. Storage comes in 64GB or 128GB. And you can expand it with a microSD card up to 1TB. Perfect for storing photos and videos. The phone runs Android 15 Go Edition, optimized for smooth performance on modest hardware, and Xiaomi's HyperOS adds smart features and customization. Bonus, it'll receive 2 major Android updates, a big plus for long-term security. Camera-wise, it's a basic setup. A 32-megapixel main lens for detailed shots in good lighting, plus an auxiliary sensor for portrait mode. It records full HD at 30 frames per second. In low light though, don't expect too much. The front camera is 8 megapixels, decent for selfies and video calls. No ultra-wide or macro here, but for the price, it's fair enough. Battery life is a highlight. 5,200 mAh that easily lasts a day and a half with moderate use. It supports 18-watt charging, but some regions only get a 15-watt charger in the box. A full charge takes about 2 hours. No wireless charging, but honestly, at this price, that's expected. For connectivity, you get 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, and even a 3.5mm headphone jack. Heads up, there's no 5G. The fingerprint reader is on the side, fast and convenient. And the speakers are good enough for watching videos. The Redmi A5 hits the market at just $129.99, an incredible price for what it offers. It's perfect for anyone looking for a durable phone with solid battery life and a smooth screen without breaking the bank. Just don't expect top-tier photos or 5G support. If you're already interested in this smartphone, the purchase link is in the description. Check it out. And if you like the Redmi A5, let us know in the comments. Is it worth it or not? Hit that like button if you're into budget-friendly tech, subscribe for more reviews, and join our WhatsApp channel X-Tech Deals for exclusive offers. Links in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.